That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. My name is Denise. Today's video is going to be a cleaning video. I'm only going to be doing downstairs. I'm not going to be doing like deep cleaning, so I may not pull out like my sponges and all that stuff. I don't know. I have to see how Logan deals, because I don't think I've done a really good cleaning video since she's been born. I don't know. That's life right now. I can't remember anything, but anyway, I'm going to try to give you some good cleaning motivation, so just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I am in my living room and I am just picking up everything that is on the table. I'm going to also pick up things that are on the floor. There are toys everywhere. And yeah, I would say that I'm embarrassed, but I really don't care, y'all. I'm just trying to get through every day with a smile on my face. So yeah, I knew that I did have to tackle it at some point. So today is the day. And right here, I am just refilling my baby's diaper bag. I do have a changing table in the living room. My mother-in-law thought of this idea when she visited me when Logan was born, and it has been a life changer. It is just the best thing ever. I know it's not aesthetically pleasing to you Instagrammers, but yeah, it's making my life work. So now I'm just gonna move on to removing everything that is on this love seat. We don't usually sit on this chair. As you can see, it's the catch-all chair, so underneath the cushion shouldn't be that frightening, but the sofa is what will probably scare me the most, because that is the chair that gets all the action and attention. But yeah, I'm just putting all these toys in Lucas's little playroom area that also needs to be cleaned out, but not in this video. So you might want to think about subscribing to see how I tackle that in the future. But yeah, so far that is what I'm getting accomplished, just picking up everything, and I'm going to eventually wipe down all of the surfaces, and yeah, and I'm also going to vacuum, which that will be very exciting because it is brand new, and I'll talk a little bit more about that later.
It's alright. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow.
So I'm sure what you are seeing under these couch cushions is nothing new, especially if you have children or a messy husband. But yeah, I did find some coins, and I did find a necklace that has been missing for some time now. So I'm a little bit glad that I took the time to lift those cushions and bare my ugly secret to you guys.
Time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good Don't take it. Take it, just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chase.
Okay, so a little bit about this vacuum backstory. When my mother-in-law came to town, she was not impressed with my previous vacuum, so when she left, I asked her to send a picture of the vacuum that she highly recommended, and she had a Bissell, and so I got the pet hair version of the Bissell, and I love it. It is a dream. I did not know that my floors were so dirty until I used it. So if you are on the market for a vacuum, yes, it is corded, yes, it can be a little bit aggravating, but the end result is like no other. When you empty that can or that tank and you see all that nasty pet hair come out, so yeah, I highly recommend it. If you're new here, then you probably don't know this, but I do enjoy my candles, and I light one after every cleaning. And I also am going to replace the wallflower in the living room with the scent Mahogany Apple. So moving on to the kitchen, I just do the same technique in here as well, except I get a plastic bag and I start clearing off all of the trash on the countertops and the island, and I like to put things back into the pantry. And yeah, I'm going to empty my dishwasher and wash some dishes by hand because my sink is really full and I have just been neglecting this kitchen for the last couple of days. So yeah, we're gonna get it all cleaned up.
For too long, I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I tried my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly. 'Cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can. I ain't got nothing left. Nothing left. Nothing left.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now.
Okay, so now that I have wiped down all of the surfaces, now it is time for me to mop. Now, I don't know about you, but I enjoy extremely hot water when I mop. I like it just the way I like my coffee, extremely hot. So yeah, if you've never given that a try, I do suggest that you at least try it one time, because it does help remove a whole lot more icky stuff off of your floor than the average hot water temperature that you may be using. So yeah, I'm gonna mop the kitchen first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to the powder room, just because I didn't want to cross-contaminate the bathroom. I just thought that would be weird to do the bathroom first and then mop the kitchen. But yeah, enjoy.
Oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me,
Don't cover me, babe. Your shadow's hanging over me. Breathe on me, just breathe on me. And don't cover me, babe. Don't lay yourself on top of me. I don't want us to start again. I'll get it in, I'm not your friend. No, when everything's been said and everything's been done, I'll be down the street, all passed out on rum. 'Cause I'm trying to forget you, I'm trying to forget about you. Don't cover me, babe. Your shadow's hanging over me. Breathe on me, just breathe on me. And don't cover me, babe. Don't fill me with this false charade.
If you like this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. And if you made it this far, please leave the emoji of French fries so that I know that you enjoy these types of videos or this length of video, because I only want to make the best content for you guys. So I'm just gonna finish this video out by lighting my candle. And remember, ladies, mom life may be the best life, but give yourself some grace. Bye.
Scream if you gotta scream. Misbehave if that's what it takes. Oh, run if you gotta run. I said